What's up, guys? Chris Rodriguez here, and I'm back at it again with another video, fidget spinner video. I just got back from Walmart and I found this, a fidget spinner. Yeah, so I'm happy to get unboxed with this. Oh, it's called Vibe Balanced Thrill Spin. So let's get into the unboxing. I'm excited. So that's the boxing. Ooh, simple package. It'd be simple. Oh, okay. Now, guys, I got it. Okay, I'm already dropping it. What? So I mean, here it is. It has a little rattle in it, but I think it's fine. I mean, look at this. It's sick. I mean, I'm gonna not pop this out. Okay. So we're gonna open it. Let's look at this. So this is the bearings. So I got a white fidget spinner. That's like so sick, bruh. So, oh wait, is that a scratch already? Scratch it real quick. Okay, there we go. Don't make fun. So, out of all the fidget spinners, actually really nice. I like this. It was $4 at Walmart. Well, I live in Porterville, so if you go to Walmart in Porterville, if you live in Porterville, you can go like get one. So it's $4. I don't think plus tax, but they have white, and if you see on the boxes, they say glow in the dark and stuff. Don't. They just have these colors. Like they had a, what is it called? Had a white, black, red, blue. That's all. So 4 different colors. But out of all the fidget spinners, nice. Get it again. So sick, guys. Oh, and I know if you guys are wondering what that is, it's a wart. I got it. I don't know how. So get this one. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment what video I should do now. Peace.